and welcome. It's tilted. Hello everybody, and it's still tilted. Why is this? Ooh! Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I have a new segment on my channel. So, you guys know that I have in my arsenal or plethora of skateboards, I have a boosted board. And I made a couple videos about that, but basically I'm gonna put the boosted to the test. Now, as you all know, these fidget spinners have been going crazy all over online. It's just been bursting up with fidget spinners here. Go buy this fidget spinner. There's different fidget spinners, different colors, different speeds, different. So, I'm gonna put the boosted to the test. It's boosted versus fidget spinner. Okay, so I have a series of 3 challenges. The first challenge is, I'm gonna line the boosted up for a good old drag race versus this fidget spinner. This fidget spinner, I've timed it. It can go to about 1 minute and 20 seconds, somewhere around there. A minute, I believe it's, I timed it earlier, it's 1:20.17 seconds. That's how long I have timed it for. So, I'm gonna line the boosted up with this fidget spinner. When I say go, I'm gonna spin this spinner, go to where I approximately think the boosted can handle it, which is the end of my road, to make sure you guys aren't cheating, or to make sure I'm not cheating. You guys will be watching me on a chest cam with the GoPro. The GoPro will be filming me as I go to the end of the road. I'm gonna hit a certain point, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna show you where that point is right now, so you guys can get a good look. So, I guess that bush will be my landmark. Maybe, no, this grease paint splatter here, because there's none that way. So that is where my turnaround point will have to be. Okay, so that's the point that I have to get to. I then have to turn around there. I can pick the board up, I can do whatever, and I can get back home. I can gas as fast as possible. I can go as fast as possible on the boosted board, and I have to beat it before the fidget spinner stops. So, that is the first challenge. Let's get cracking. Alright, I'm going to now put the GoPro chest mount on me. And the whole purpose and the point of the GoPro chest mount is to make sure that, to show you guys that I am not cheating at this. This is legit, and this gives you a first person view of where I'm going. Switch over to GoPro. Click. All clicked in. All right, we're good to go. Okay, here we go. Fidget spinner, boosted board history. Okay, to make sure that no one is going to steal my camera and my fidget spinner, just gonna put them here. Alright, so I'm gonna put the fidget spinner and the camera placed right here. This is going to be my starting point, and then I have to run out onto the road. Alright, so I'm gonna line the boosted board up now. Point it in the right direction, that way he's out. And I have to be back here in 1:20. As soon as I touch this driveway, 1 foot has to be on this driveway, and that counts. Or the boosted has to touch the driveway, anything. Any point where I touch the driveway. That's the line that marks, that's the sidewalk, and then that's my driveway. So that sidewalk doesn't count, driveway counts. Okay, GoPro's on. GoPro's on right now. Make sure I'm not cheating. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. There's the paint splatter right there. Fix. There it is. Come back, go. Come on, boosted! Full speed right now, full speed. No cars, go. Oh, this is gonna be close. That's driveway. And it has stopped. No. I'm beaten. Let's check the footage. So, it looks like the fidget spinner beat me by a long run. So, for this challenge here, fidget spinner 1, boosted 0. That still brings us to our next challenge. So, the second part of the challenge is this. I'm gonna take the boosted board, and if you guys don't know, the boosted board doesn't have the greatest turning radius. It's kinda corners very slowly, and you have to be going at high speeds and crazy stuff to corner fast. So, basically, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the boosted board to the end of a point where I think it is. I'm gonna show you where that is right now. Alright, so I'm gonna walk us through our challenge. Boosted takes off here, from the house, forward. Come off this way, full speed, all the way up the road. And then here, as soon as I pass this driveway, because there's no more driveways, I have to turn around. That point right there, I'm gonna take the boosted board to there. I'm then going to have to reverse and move my board without picking it up and moving it. And then I'm gonna have to get back as fast as possible to the starting point. And this is a lot harder than it seems, guys. This is really hard. So something like this, backing up. See how hard I'm having to lean? This might do it. This might be it here. Oh, just. And then all the way back. That's it here. All right, let's see it. Oh man, Boosted, you have saved your glory, your honor. Yes, we did it. I beat fidget spinner. The third and final challenge is going in reverse. Now, the boosted is gonna be taking a corner. Instead of going that one direction, it's gonna be coming around the road and it is going to be reversing all the way to the starting line, or from the starting line all the way back to the point. Then I must flip the board, or I can turn it however I want, and I have to go forward full speed as fast as I can. I'll show you where that end point is right now. Okay, so this road comes over here. We go left here, go all the way down here. Goes all the way down. It's awesome. All the way down. Right about to here, right in the middle of this cul-de-sac here. Then I had to do all that backwards, but that wasn't backwards. I can turn it around any way I want and come back. So our point will be this rock right here. Okay, boosted is in backwards position. That's how you know it's backwards. The front end is that way. All right. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, we're off. Fell off. It's okay. Backwards, come on. Come on, boosted. Here we go. We're going. Come on, boosted. I can't go that fast because it is really scary to go fast backwards. I'm already terrified. Come on, boosted. Come on. Gotta be. Oh no! That's been falling me. All right, full speed forward. Come on. Go, boosted, go. Full speed. As far as it goes. Truck. Oh man.
No need to worry, let's conquer now. We got the time.
Oh man, well guys, that was so close. Not gonna lie, that was ridiculous. Okay, man, that was so close. Not gonna lie, I'm really disappointed there. Okay. Hey guys, well, it looks like the boosted had lost. It was 2-1. Fidget spinner took it home on the last challenge. So looks like boosted lost. Fidget spinner won. Boosted 0. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys are interested in any of the stuff that I was using today, it's in my link. My Boosted's in my link. Boosted Board, that's the company that makes the electric skateboard that I was using to race the fidget spinner. If you guys are interested in fidget spinners, I'm sure you guys can get your own somewhere. They're everywhere right now. This one was $17. This one's from LA. So, I mean, this one was just on the higher range because it lights up as well. Pretty cool. Thank you guys so much for watching today. All the stuff that you saw was in a closed environment. Do not try any of these on the highways or on major roadways. This was just on streets, just closed streets with minimal car activity. So if you're gonna try this, please do it in a safe environment and maybe have some supervision, perhaps. Thank you guys so much for watching today. If you're interested in my Instagram, my Twitter, it's all linked below. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and have a great day. Oh no!